Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So, this gonna be continue the discussion of management accounting. So last time we discussed about EVITA. So now it's actually uh, important in this topic. So let's talk about valuation ratio. So valuation ratio is a kind of valuation used in business. So valuation ratio are financial metrics used to assess relatively value of the company's stock compared to its earnings, sales, book value, or other financial indicators. They help investors determine whether company shares are undervalued. So this is very important ratio. So fairly price or overvalue in the market. So basically it's just comparing the price performance measures, valuation ratio, provide insights into market expectation and investment potential. So let's move on. So for the purpose of this discussion, so valuation ratio is to aid investors, analysts. Yeah, because investors is the one that you know their money kept the companies going, and managers in making informed decisions about buying, holding, or selling a company's stock. They act as a benchmark to evaluate the attractiveness of business relative to competitors, industry averages, and historical performance. So it has many multi-prong this kind of valuation ratio. So the main point is number one, price to earnings ratio. So usually company holds a lot of money from the investors. It's very important thing. PE ratio compares market price per share to earnings per share. So it's just comparison. Indicates how much investors are willing to pay for its units of profit. We'll have example later. Then we have PB or price to book ratio compares stock price to book value per share. Shows how the market values assets relative to their accounting worth. So that's PB. Important. Then PS compares stock price to revenue per share. Useful for evaluating companies with low or volatile earnings. So volatile earnings are um, example in the stocks, no? So they have investment, so up and down. Okay? And then also for the dividend yield, measures dividends per share relative to stock price. Indicates return to investments from dividends. So that's dividend yield. It's usually given at the end of the year or early in the year in stockholders meeting. We have this one enterprise value to EBITDA na? Or EV over EBITDA. So this one compares total enterprise value to earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. So because they are actually affecting the earnings of the company. So EBITDA is very important also. So helps assess overall company's valuation, especially in mergers and acquisitions. So the validation for this topic, according to the Moderat, leading authority in valuation, the use of valuation ratio provides quick and comparable measure of company's performance across market. To McKinsey is a uh, noted management consulting firm. So company study 2022 showed that firms with consistently attractive valuation ratios often deliver above market returns over the long term, enforcement role in investment decision making. So that's validation. So let's have an example. Suppose a company has the following metrics, no? Market price per share 100, earnings per share 110, book value per share 50, annual dividend per share 5. So the EBITDA is 1,000, which is given. So enterprise value is 8,000. So now the PE 10 divided 100 divided by 10 or 10. PB 100 divided by 50 from the given is equals to dividend yields 5 divided by 100 or 5%. EV over EBITDA, 8,000, 8 million divided by 1 million or 8. So this is the valuation ratio. There is an interpretation of that. But apparently it's all positive. So that means the company has a good, uh, although not that much, but is healthy, no? That this applies in investors identify undervalued or overvalued stocks for portfolio allocation. Analysts compare companies with the same industry. For managers, understand market perception of company's value. For acquirers, use ratio like EV over EBITDA to assess acquisition pricing. So why we have these ratios? Valuation ratio provides simple yet powerful way to compare investment opportunities. So the investors are looking to the company in terms of this ratio. They highlight how the market perceives profitability, growth, and asset strength. When combined with qualitative analysis, they help reduce investment risk and enhance long-term return. So for the investors, those ratios are very crucial. In conclusion, valuation ratio are essential tools in financial analysis, investment decision, and corporate strategy. By comparing price with key financial indicators, they enable stakeholders to make informed judgments about a company's relative worth, ensuring better decision making and resource allocation. So that's this ratio valuation ratio. Okay, this is from the model McKinsey, Brighton. Okay, and who else? Actually, this one. Okay. So if you have some question, you can ask me about this. Thank you for having with me. Bye bye.